Favor, and it's your girl, Millie. And today we are back, and we are making pancakes. And I forgot the intro. Welcome to Living with MrsKarolK. Okay.
Thank you, sweetie. I thought these girls are intelligent.
Now?
Yes, it's ready now.
Hi guys, welcome to Living
with KarolK. Okay? Okay, we'll start again. Yes, I'm KarolK. So let's do it again. Welcome guys, Living with KarolK. What are we doing, ladies?
We are making pancakes and waffles.
Idris, what's your name? What's your name?
Favor. You can call me Irony. And we are back again.
We're back again.
You can call me what my name is. Millie Agoni, or you can call me whatever you want.
Okay. So we've got
sprinkles.
Yes.
I'll
We'll put it at the end. Okay, and then we've got vanilla essence.
How do you drink it?
Later on, we'll eat it when we're having our pancakes. And we've got cinnamon. Well done, girls.
Whipped cream.
Whipped cream, yes.
And milk.
Hold on, let me show them. We've got our milk. Fantastic. And
sugar.
We've already done this.
Not yet.
Whipped cream.
Whipped cream.
Flour.
We've got our self-raising flour.
And syrup.
Yes, maple syrup. You got it. High five. You got
it.
that right. Wait.
And
Sugar.
Got our sugar and our
And
eggs.
that's the 4 eggs.
Okay, so we're gonna do some measurements first. We're gonna do the measurements in here. We need 300 grams of flour.
We're learning about grams in school.
Wow, tell me about them then.
So,
Put it in there.
yeah.
Okay.
So that's example, but I don't know if that's true.
Okay, hold on. Put it in there.
My turn.
Shake it.
I can do this myself because I'm older.
Okay.
I want to do it.
So get two. Oh.
I,
That's fine.
that's the part of
It's
having
okay.
fun.
It's okay.
You're just having fun.
Put some in there.
Okay. My turn.
I want to leave
Okay.
the camera.
So we're only gonna put one more. Well done. Okay.
It feels so buttery.
Okay.
I
Okay, that's enough.
it's so soft.
That'll
But
do
I
next.
have a joke for you guys.
Okay, tell us.
Why did the flour stick on the person's hands?
I have no idea.
To stick away.
To stick away. Okay. Let's put. Okay, there you go.
Where's a little
Hold
bit?
on. So you help her to put some. There we go.
Ooh.
With one.
I want to take some sugar and take it.
One. Okay, add. Good girl.
And then it's going to be my turn a little bit.
Yes.
The biggest bit of sugar.
Two. Prepare to put water. Are you eating sugar? So we're putting 300. Can you point where it says 300, please? Can you count? Well done. So are we there yet? Check. Wait. Can you check?
We're not there.
Look. Can you see the measurements? What does it say?
300.
No, we're not there yet. So we need to put a little bit.
Like
Hold on. A tiny bit. Gee. Okay. Help me to hold it.
It's coming on you
don't
now.
crack it. Yeah.
My turn.
Don't eat the egg.
Raw eggs make you puke a little bit.
Millie, no, don't eat them.
It makes you puke a little.
Shall we wash our hands? Hold on. Let me give you water.
Wait, wait till
And wow. So we probably need another egg. And Mama Karo is going to do that
Your
one.
turn
Look,
now. It's your
look.
turn.
So you crack it and
And
then you see
pull
gently, you
Pull it.
like that, you see? Now we're putting
So,
salt. Mama Karo will have to do
doing
that.
it.
Oh, we have to measure it. Put it all. Yay. So what we're doing next now, we're mixing gently. That's Millie's. That's Favor's. So hold on, just wait. Let's mix
It
it.
looks
Wait,
like
wait,
oats.
wait, 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 Favor.
It
Wait,
looks like oats.
wait, Millie.
It looks like oats, Mama Karo.
Yes.
Think up on.
What are you
Okay, now we'll
thinking about? Okay.
Mixing. I'm mixing down the road.
Syrup.
Mhm.
My turn.
You mix gently, Favor. Mix, 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 mix,
Is
mix.
this gonna? After this, are we gonna pour it in there?
Yes,
And
mix.
then now we eat the pan.
Keep eating. Okay. Mix. Let's see the strength.
Some just came on me, so I just ate it.
Mix, Millie. Hold it. Well done.
Sorry.
Okay, Millie, do you want help?
I might.
Okay.
Mock might come on me. I'm gonna stand. This is disgusting.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm gonna mix.
Gently, gently, gently.
Can I do it now? Because I can do it gently.
Sure.
Expose my brother right now. Are you gonna sit down on your bed when you just finish?
On my bed?
Yeah. Or are you just gonna sit down?
You want us to sit on the bed?
Wait, are you gonna make dinner after so we can eat?
Maybe. You should be cooking dinner for me.
I want to cook dinner.
What? Don't touch?
It's ready.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm?
Yeah. So, what we're doing now, we're doing tidy up. We've got our waffle maple syrup. We're just putting our things back so we can eat, and then we can eat. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Do you want chocolate on yours?
Yeah, no.
Mm?
No.
10.
Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.
She's ready to eat her food.
Wait, what? Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
Can I try some?
With this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or you want to try mine? Hold on. Wait, Favor.
Okay.
There we go. Come on, girls. Group hug.
Thank
So
you
what you
for
say?
Thank you
Thank
for
you for
watching.
watching.
See you in the next video.
Yeah.
Make sure you don't forget to
Comment down below and subscribe and like everything you're supposed to do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do it.
We
Share
do
this.
it.
Send it to your friends, your
And
family,
Mhm.
your enemies, everybody.
Oh, my girl said your enemies and everybody. So love you.
Love
Bye. The best day